my Volt Boy from my garage to a kid for Christmas, so now it's time to make ourselves new ones. I'm having some regrets about all the lines on this one, but fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. Dremeled the lines on them, so this way it's easier to paint later, but I look like a damn Tony Montana now with all this powder. Here we go, all finished. Got ourselves a Stormtrooper boy and a Kylo Ren boy. And I slightly weathered the edges using my secret dry brushing technique. But I think it's came out great, and let's go compare it to the classic Volt Boy and see which one we think is best. Well, there's the honored guests in their seats. The OG Volt Boy, the big one. My bottle cap collection, haven't done anything with this. And of course the Nuka-Cola. So which one is our favorite? I do think the Kylo Ren one is actually probably my favorite one at the moment, though can't argue with the classic Volt Boys. Also, cool part about the Kylo Boy is that face mask paint is metallic, so it's very reflective. So depending on the angle, like when I was taking a video outside you couldn't quite see it, but right now here you can see that it's far brighter, even though it almost looked like darker than that grayish color. But anyways, great success, and I'll see you next time.